Hey guys, so you want to start off with 2 packs of chicken. Here I have organic free range, probably about 6 or 7 per pack. And then you want to coat your pan with butter. And then I just arranged all of the wings. And then you want to mix in a bowl about 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and then 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. You want to mix them all together, combine, and then you want to coat the chicken with the mixture of your baking powder, salt, and garlic powder. And then it's going to be ready to bake in the oven for about 400 degrees. And then you want to bake it probably about 25-30 minutes until it's, kind of cooked. And then you want to flip it halfway through and then bake for another 25 minutes or so until it's done. And then for the sauce, about a quarter cup of butter melted. I melted it, obviously. A fourth a cup of hot sauce, and then 1 tablespoon of sugar. In this case, I use coconut sugar in lieu of regular sugar, just to make it a little bit healthier. Combine all those ingredients, and then you're going to drizzle that over the cooked chicken.